So how many countries? As you can see, you can choose. Um, this has been arranged this way. So that. All right. Now we come to computing the score and the total. And we want to make it such that if the user chooses the correct answer, he or she scores 1 for that question. All right. So we go into total, and then auto compute. We need to put in an app formula to do it. So this is it. For example, answer 1. If answer 1 is equal to index Q&A is where we have this and we have the correct answer. Okay. So to start this formula with if. So if answer 1 is equal to the first answer and the correct answer for this line, then the user scores 1. Otherwise, 0. All right. So we are going to do this for all the 5. So we have this plus. Okay. So answer 2. Answer 3. Right. Now we choose the plus. Answer 4. Do the fourth one. Then finally for answer 5. So this will compute. So if the person gets all correct, it's going to get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 5. All right, so let's save. All right. So as you can see, the total is currently 0. So the correct answer to this question is 30. So if I should click on 30, you see it goes to 1. What part of the human body can we find the alveoli? That is in the lungs. If I click on this, it should go to 2. Let's have a check of that. Answer 4. This is 200. Let's check the answer we put in lungs. The system is not reading it all, but as you can see, so for example, countries are in Africa 54, correct? And then the fruits often associated is apple. I think the text is not being read well. That it was able to pick up for the numbers. So let's take a look at the text answers. Okay, so the issue is here. The type that was assigned to correct answer was number. Okay, that is why it seemed to be working only for numbers. So let's change it to text and see. Change to text and save. So We have it in text, and so let's try again. How many countries are in Africa? 54. It scores as 1. That's right. Um, what fruit is often associated with the discovery of gravity? That's the apple. Goes to 2, correct. Usain Bolt runs 100 meters at 0.5. How many seconds? That's 200. Correct. Which part of the human body can we find the alveoli? Lungs. 4, correct. And then Ali, this is 30. Excellent. So we have created this simple quiz app with just 2 sheets. So if I should put in my name here, save, you will notice it's going to appear here. And I scored 5 over 5. So later in this course, we will look at how to customize the app with some nice features. But this is perfect and can be used as is. See you in the next video.